All right, so if you're in the local SEO space or if you're trying to rank your business higher on Google Maps, you probably are overpaying for a ton of software and overpaying for a ton of contractors and service owners that don't really do a great job. So in this video, I wanted to go over what are actually the needle movers for your business that can help you rank higher on Google Maps. So as an introduction, I am the co-founder of Local Rank, and Local Rank is just a software that helps you rank higher on Google Maps to help you make more money. And on the software itself, I'm not here to pitch it, but we have a ton of data of what's actually working. We have over 500 agency owners that have clients and are actually trying to rank their own business on Google Maps. So in this video, I just wanted to share some of the data that we're seeing that is helping people rank higher on Google Maps in 2026. So by the end of this video, you're going to have all of the three main factors that help you rank higher on Google Maps. There are a ton of stuff probably in the SEO world that don't actually move the needle, right? So in this video, I just want to focus on what's actually moving the needle. And then the other thing is how you can save money. So this cutting costs is a big thing. And we have a ton of data of what people are spending their money on, what tools they're buying, what services they're buying. And I just want to simplify down to the most critical things that you can do for your business to help you rank higher on Google Maps so you can start making money. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
All right, so let's get super clear on what actually matters for Google Maps in 2026. Google literally says local results are mainly based on relevance, distance, and prominence. And they also say there's no way to request or pay for a better local ranking. So if you're an agency, the play is pretty simple. Distance is mostly fixed, like you can't optimize where the searcher is standing. So we focus on the two things you can control, relevance and prominence. Now this is where most agencies overpay. They buy a bunch of software and still don't have a clean system for the three things that matter. So I'm going to keep this practical. When I say best local SEO software for agencies, I'm really talking about three buckets. Rank tracking, so you stop guessing. Listings and citations, so business info stays consistent across the web. Google Business Profile and reviews, because that's where prominence shows up. And yeah, I'll include local rank because that's what we're building. First, rank tracking. If you're not tracking Google Maps rankings consistently, you're basically flying blind. And clients can't feel progress unless you can show it. A good rank tracker should cover Google Organic, Google Maps, mobile, and give you reporting that doesn't look messy. With Local Rank, our rank tracker is built around monitoring rankings across different areas in a city. That includes automated reports, white label reporting, share URLs, service area business scans, and competitor comparisons. So the workflow is simple. You run the scans, track movement, and send something client-ready without extra work. Other tools agencies use here include Bright Local, Whitespark, and Local Falcon. But the real point is, pick one tracker you trust and build a weekly reporting rhythm around it. Second, listings and citations. This is where agencies waste the most time, either doing everything manually or using a tool and never checking if the data is actually consistent. Google is a machine. If your business info is inconsistent across the web, that doesn't help you. So the goal isn't spamming directories. The goal is accurate, consistent business information, everywhere. On the Local Rank Citations page, it literally says one click equals being listed on 500 plus directories. So you submit once, and you're not paying someone to copy-paste NAP data all day. Other tools here include Bright Local, SEMrush Listing Management, Yext, and Uberall. But it comes down to choosing a system that keeps listings accurate without turning operations into spreadsheet hell. Third, Google Business Profile and reviews. Google calls this prominence. Basically, how trusted and well-known a business appears. For most local businesses, reviews and GBP activity are some of the strongest signals. On Local Rank, we describe Google Business Profile automation like scheduling posts, responding to reviews with templates, monitoring insights, and managing multiple locations from one dashboard. So instead of trying to remember things, it becomes a system that runs every week. Other tools people use here include Local Viking and Birdeye. But the pattern stays the same. You don't need 5 tools in the same category. You need one workflow you'll actually use. Here's the simplest answer. A clean agency stack in 2026 means one rank tracker you trust, one listings and citation system you trust, and one GBP plus reviews workflow you can run consistently. That's why we built Local Rank. Track rankings, keep listings clean, run GBP and reviews. That's it. If you only remember three things, Google Maps comes down to relevance, distance, and prominence. Distance is mostly fixed, so win on relevance and prominence. And don't overcomplicate the tool stack. If you want to check out Local Rank, go to localrank.so and look at the rank tracker, citations, and Google Business Profile automation. And if you want, drop a comment with your niche: dentist, plumber, garage doors, whatever. I'll tell you which area I'd prioritize first and why.